welcome back to my channel. I am Genesis and I have a special guest named
Brandon.
Yeah, Brandon. And we're gonna play with slime. Well, he isn't. He's just gonna watch me because right now while we were doing another video, it kind of got stuck on his shirt and on his pants.
Wait,
It's stuck on his.
I'm a watcher that I did in the video. That
Mama came out in the back.
I don't know how to make fun.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys how to make slime.
I'm just gonna watch.
Okay, I'm gonna go and be back with the stuff. So see you guys. I'm back and I have all the stuff. So what you will be needing is some Elmer's clear glue or white. We just like using clear glue because this is what makes it so stretchy. So yeah, you need some shaving cream. Just have this one. You'll need some. No, this is called contact lens solution.
Oh, I'm not good with chemicals. I'm not kidding. I'm good with the right
Borax also works, and Tide also works too. So those things work. And you need a spoon and a bowl to mix it, of course. Okay, so pour in the glue. Are you strong enough to pour it? Don't add too much though. No, that's it.
A tiny bit. I'm not kidding. A really tiny bit.
Okay, so once you're done with your clear glue, put that aside.
Can you see it? There. The shiny thing. That shine.
So I'm gonna add the shaving cream. Just add as much as glue you have. That's the normal recipe. So I'm gonna mix this and then you're gonna mix the slime.
Okay. So give me it now?
It's not slime yet.
I know. Okay.
So you're gonna mix it, okay? Not yet. So, okay. So I'm mixing this. It's not getting like slime.
Yeah, it doesn't look like slime, but it does act like slime a little.
No, it's not slime. It's just the shaving cream that's sticking up. Why are you sitting like that? You're gonna drop the
I don't know.
camera on your phone.
I think that's like
This looks like your boot is served.
Ew! Oh no.
No,
No.
I never do that.
No.
Okay, so now you're gonna add. Oh my god, it's not that. It's not that.
What? It's not that one.
Add some of this.
Now can I mix?
No.
When can I mix?
Okay, now.
Okay, finally.
He could mix. Ow, I broke my nail. I almost did.
Okay, it's turning into slime. For real, it's turning into slime.
So I'm gonna show you guys how it's turning into slime. It's
No,
like
we should have done it like I should have done it like mix and show you.
so looking like
Sorry.
it's finally getting off the bowl.
And I can tell you what I'm thinking.
Okay, so
Cow. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I'm thinking.
what's wrong with this?
I'm not kidding. I don't know. I'm just thinking.
Oh my god!
What's wrong with the shaving?
No, it's because
okay.
oh my god, that looks like
It looks like Poop Mountain.
I know. What I'm saying. Oh, too sticky. So chemical time.
Yeah. I think
It
that
actually
smells kind of
smells
good.
I know, because you're like, it smells good, and you're like, oh yeah, that actually smells kind of good.
Nah, it's not ready. It still looks like shaving butt.
Shaving butt? Wait, what?
I don't know.
Shaving butt?
Shaving butt.
Guess what? Guess what I did today? Guess what? Chicken butt.
Kicking butt.
Not kicking butt, chinking butt,
Chicken. What is that?
or shaving butt.
I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear about that story. Bye.
Shaving butt.
See the lawn.
I don't know what he's doing.
I'm just kidding. I'm not doing anything.
Okay, so I'm mixing this and it looks good. This looks really fluffy though.
What happened? What happened? Okay.
No. Hold on, Brandon. Hold the phone. My mom's talking, guys. No. No? No con me. Oh my god. It almost got on my skin.
I thought it was gonna be clear.
Yeah, it is clear, but because of the shaving cream, it makes it white, but it's actually clear slime. Why did you move it out to your slime?
No, I didn't. I can't see. You can't see
No,
any.
you can't see my face neither.
Wait, how about we just put like over there?
We're
Then?
focusing on the slime right now. Let's do an ASMR. What are you doing? Stop moving the camera.
Here.
Children these days don't even know.
You're children. Ow, I cannot not see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Children? I'm a children.
I can't.
But like your age, like 5 years old, 6 years old.
No, I'm 7. For real. Yes, I am. Tell my mom.
Yeah. He is 7. No, I'm kidding. He actually looks like a 7-year-old kid. So.
No,
I told you actually look like a 7-year-old kid.
no, like I am a 7-year-old.
Yeah, and you look like one.
I am.
So yeah, you look like one. So now I'm gonna mix these two together.
Wait, are you actually Vienna?
Oh my god.
Oh my
There's been like
god.
3 different slimes of these.
For real. This is the old slime.
Why are you putting your finger there?
Sorry.
Pepeeds.
Pepeeds.
You don't know what Pepeeds is? You're a 7-year-old.
What's Pepeeds?
I'm kidding. Pepeeds are. Pepeeds are. You got on your shirt. Hold on, scoot over. There.
Okay.
You got on your shirt because it will
Cross the room. No, it didn't. It just moved to
cross to brand. Oh my god.
I want to. Why can I not see myself?
Oh my god. So thank you guys for watching. Say bye, Brandon.
Peace.
Let's do a
Peace.
okay. Bye.
I don't know what the hashtag means. Bye.
Hashtag means
Can
hashtag.
I turn it off now?
No.
Where is the button?
What are you doing?
No, that's the button. Okay.
So bye guys.